grand rising and a supreme rising. Happy new season, happy new month. We have just entered our final month of our African calendar, the month of Nut Kapa Mophethehatsi, Noma Mphethikazi. Welcome to all spiritual G's. Regular greeting, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Togozani, Khanya, Lesedi. Greetings over the diaspora to those that don't speak the languages that we speak. Welcome to all Stoners United, the Wake and Bake Gang, the Woke Gang, the Anti-Woke Gang, Chakra Hands, Terracotta Gang, Togoza Gogo Gang, Makosi Gang, Barabedi Gang, Terracotta Gang, Chakra Hands, Energy Readers, Energy Benders, Element Benders. As long as we're all here in love and light. This is another knowledge sharing session. We are in the 12th month, like I said, and we are doing our intro episodes today. So welcome to everybody, to those who are new to the space. Please let us start by subscribing. Let us show some love in the comment section, or just engage with us in the comment section. I really enjoy that part where we are learning from each other. It is a knowledge sharing session after all. Please like, please do share. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And to the regular spiritual G's, welcome. Thank you so much for spending your time here. Yes, again, this is our intro episode, so you know how we do. We start with the things that align us with the season of Nut, but we had our live session already on the Moya podcast, but we also have the episode streamed to this platform here if you would like to start ahead in front of everybody else. All right, and as mentioned, this is the 12th season of the year, so we start with the things that align us with the season of Nut. And in our native tongues, Mophethehatsi, denoting to the fact that some people refer to Nut as the Alpha and Omega. And based on the zodiacs as we know them, but it's the Virgo season, but it's actually the Pisces season because it aligns with how we are at the end. And for people who work with the energy house or the astronomy, you know that the Pisces house is referred to as the dustbin of the zodiac because it happens there at the end. And the Pisces people are literally holding everybody else, but contains all the 12 houses within the house in your Pisces, right? So the things that align us with the season, we usually have an 8 countdown, so I don't forget anything. So I'll start with the period in Noon. So it starts from the 23rd of August up until the 23rd of September, where we're entering our spring equinox, which is our new year on our calendar, or as nature dictates. That's right, on the solar calendar. And then the color of the season is an indigo color. So it's like a purplish blue kind of combination. So just Google indigo and the shades that it appears as. But you should be good with the blue candles if you don't find your indigo. And then we have the metal is an aluminium metal. And then the animals that are associated is the serpent, the eel, and the frog. So these animals would represent transformation, new beginnings, continuity, rebirth, entering, shedding, transformation basically. And then those are the animals. And then the stone. The stone is one of my favorites. It's the Lapis Lazuli. Gogo Twili pronounces it so fancy. Yeah, I must actually engage her, steer her in a way where she's gonna say the stone. But it's a very beautiful stone, and in text they refer to Unut as the sky goddess. So the Lapis Lazuli, it also sort of looks like the sky itself. So it's a blue stone, like the specs, the golden yana. So very beautiful stone. Can use it at different chakra points as well. One of the more expensive ones compared to the regular stones. And then we spoke the metal, we spoke the tree. The tree is a Sychamore tree. So Sychamore is part of like the fig family. So this one is a very important tree to have because it wards off negativity and entities. So very important plant or tree. And then the scent the season is an ambergris. So ambergris is a substance where it's basically excrement or purging the sperm whale based on the squid diet that the sperm whale engages in. So it's quite gate kept, and so it's more on the expensive side because it's a commodity in a way. And things that help us as a people to align to our spirituality, but not a gatekeeper. So in ancient times it was used in cosmetics, was used in perfumery, but we'll unpack as we go with our episodes. Nut, and then the incense thing is Storax. It's another ancient one, but we'll make a plan if we're able to find that when we are making our cosmic resonance packs. But that is the season in Nut, the final season of the year. Very important season. So we also get into the final fast, our 6 months of living in spirit, living more in spirit versus the flesh cell. So for those who want to join us, I had a request for, okay, we're gonna start a WhatsApp group now. So if you wanna collectively pasha, if you wanna collectively fast, especially when you're new to the space, also we hold space for each other, so we are able to also just encourage each other, especially if you're gonna do if you're gonna go to the sacred lands there, Boma Pumalanga side, or you're gonna be gathering and just welcoming the sun back to the southern hemisphere, I would recommend it. And it's also a very nice period where just to get your spirit light. It's a period where we'll work with the element of water, mutable water. We'll explain more into this, but for those who caught the live episode, we know we spoke about this. Got Deity nude, right? So, and the consort to nude is Gabe, so that is why I'm very excited. I'm sweetheart today. So this is the combo in text, in the myth part of the text. They say that or in depiction, in imagery, they say that Ugebli nude's bond was so crazy that they didn't know how to separate from each other. And I've experienced this actually, where Rama said he had to come and literally be the one who physically separates them. So that dome earth of the depiction Yalefati, that is the shape that is formed by Ugeb Linut. But we'll expand more on these principles and the energy Hazia Nut. So from Monday, those who do want to join us, the WhatsApp number is in the description of the space, but also we'll put it in the description box. Just hit me up if you'd want to collectively fast, to want to collectively pasha. So we're gonna do, I think it's more convenient for people, we're gonna do 6, and the 6 is which is the times where we start our fast and the times we break our fast, right? So more accurately, a sunrise and sunset, but for consistency we'll just use those times. So if you want to join those, I remember Itumeleng from Moya podcast did say that they are new in the space, they would like the nitty-gritties of things. So please just hit me up over this weekend, just prepare. But those are the things that align us with the season. If you want to get the Cosmic Resonance box from our space here, we have the entry level, which is the basic Cosmic Resonance pack, or the Pasha pack, whatever it is that you want to call it. That goes for $159, and then the premium pack that has everything and sometimes the nitty-gritties and the extras, that is $249, right? And then for shipping, it's gonna be so if you go to Afrocosmic, the shipping is already included, but we'll have it probably ready on Monday. But if you want to make an order, you can make your order already. We'll put it up on the YouTube shop, so that we have, actually we don't have the pictures as yet. Let's say by Sunday we should have, no, Sunday is another crazy day. Let's say by Monday we should have the packs ready. But if you're able to get all these things on your own, please do get those things on your own. We are finalizing the ebook as well. We're hoping to have it ready also by Monday, so that we can all follow. Then I list everything like we usually do. It's just the Ma'at season where we just needed to compress our book, because if we included the translations was going to be quite lengthy, especially the 42 laws take up their own space on its own. But for the season we'll have everything that we usually have. But I think with our final book, where it just encompasses everything, we'll have everything, or we'll have it in different languages. But we're working with interesting people where they want to translate some of the stuff that we do. But Uncle Ma'at, happy today. That is the one announcement that I had. And then shout out to Kadzai again, who's always super thanking us. I don't know if I did. Thank you so much to those on the membership program. And I think if you join the membership program, the ebook situation works out easier. So members, you'll have yours for free, you definitely know. But it should be up on sale between today and tomorrow. We're trying to push for today, where we have solidified everything else. But Uncle Ma'at, happy today, happy new season, a very, very important one. I cannot stop talking about nudes, but we will meet up again. We hopefully gonna have a live session on Sunday, but if not, we will meet up on Tuesday. We need to post episode and that I think we do that. But so but if you wanna join the situation, the collective situation, please do join us. If you have questions, what it is I need to fast from and all of that. But I'm Ma'at, happy today. Grand Rising again. And yeah, happy new season. Let us transition nicely. I just entered with amazing news. So do the work, follow the calendar, follow the flow of nature. Makosa makulu.